What's up guys? Welcome to the vlog. And just today, I'm going to share 5 wedding tips for photographers and videographers. Okay guys, I've been in this industry for 3.5 years. Napakaraming trials and errors na nagawa na natin and lots of mistakes. But here's what I've learned throughout the years. Kaya naman today, let me give you 5 wedding tips for photographers and videographers. Disclaimer, this is not a pro tech tips and advice how to use your cameras, how to use your gimbals, how to shoot, angle, okay? This is just a essential tips and advanced advice from my experience that I want to share to you. So my first tip is this: act decent. Ngayon, dyan papasok yung character at attitude. Tandaan nyo to, kapag kasama nyo yung mga kliyente, you really have to show a proper character, lalo na pagkaharap mo yung kliyente mo. It's a plus pogi points sa team. Pagkaharap mo mga kliyente, kailangan mo magpakita ng maayos na karakter. Hindi pa pwedeng bastos, hindi pa pwedeng hindi magalang, hindi pa pwedeng parang squammy yung datingan. Kinakailangan mong maging maayos sa sarili mo. Kasi ang kliyente, maaaring hindi lang nagsasalita, pero nag-uobserba. And tell you this, your character is the key for the next client. Kaya dapat pag nagsushoot ka ng wedding, maayos kang makipag-usap sa kliyente, maayos ka nagbibitaw ng mga salita, maayos ka nagbibitaw ng mga biruan sa couples. Lalong-lalo na kapag nagtatrabaho kayo with them. Number 1, hindi ka dapat bastos. Number 2, magalang. Number 3, submissive. Ipakita mo lang sa kanila yung pagiging decente mo. Ipakita mo lang sa kanila yung pagiging maayos mo. Tandaan mo, kaibiganin mo yung couple. Sabi nga ni Jason Magbando, makakapagbigay ka ng magandang kwento sa couple kung kilala mo ang couple. At makikilala mo lang sila kung kakaibiganin mo sila. In my 3 years in this industry, napansin ko may iba't ibang klase ng kliyente. May masungit na kliyente, may yayamaning kliyente, may down-to-earth na kliyente, may friendly na kliyente. So, iba-iba ang ugali ng kliyente. Iba-iba man ang ugali nila, but your character must be fixed to one. Dapat you always act and look decent. Yan ang gusto ng kliyente. Tandaan mo, kahit gaano ka pa kaganda magbigay ng photo sa kanila, kahit gaano ka pa ka-creative, kahit gaano kaganda yung SDE videos na ginawa ng team mo para sa couple, kung bastos naman ang ugali mo, kung hindi nagustuhan yung ugali mo, you lose, man. And tandaan mo to, in this industry, your name is your brand. Again, in this industry, your name is your brand. So, dress well. May nabasa akong quote ito, ang sabi niya, style is the way to say who you are without saying a word. Dress well when you are in wedding. Kung kinakailangan mag-invest ka ng gamit, ng damit, kung kinakailangan bumili ka sa Uniqlo, sa Bench, sa pen shop ng mga long sleeve, white long sleeve, black long sleeve, kinakailangan magtuksido ka, ipakita mo sa kliyente na maayos kang tignan, maayos kang magtrabaho. Based on my experience, nung nagsisimula ako sa wedding, ang ginagawa ko, naka-t-shirt lang kami, naka-shorts, naka-sneakers, naka-rubber shoes, nasa wedding kami. Alam mo yung feeling na nasa church ka, yung nasa church ka, yung nagpipipitik ka ng photos, tapos nakita mo mga decente lahat ng tao. Nasa church pa lang yun, ceremony pa lang, no? Decente lahat ng tao, lahat naka-tuxedo, lahat naka-polo, naka-barong, tapos ikaw naka-t-shirt ka, na naka-short, na naka-rubber shoes. Ceremony pa lang yun, what more pagdating mo ng reception? Baka magmukha kang pulubi dun. So kung ayaw mong magmukhang pulubi, dress well, show your brand, show your name. Ipakita mo na professional ka, not with what you have, ipakita mo na professional ka, the way you look. dress well. Maging ehemplo mo na lang yung magagaling na photographers, magagaling na videographers like sila Derek, ang gaganda ng suot niyan, ang poporma niyan, maayos sila, decente sila tignan, sila Jason Magbanwa, sino pa ba? Kahit nga yung mga nag-edit ng same day edit like sila Papa Scoob, maayos, naka-polo, naka-long sleeve, alam mo yun, kahit minsan mainit, pero okay lang, mag-long sleeve ka, mag-polo ka, maging maayos kang tingnan sa harap ng kliyente mo. Again, your name is your brand. Number 2 is know your gears. You must know how to function your gears. You must know the basic settings of your gears. You must know the shutter speed, the aperture, the ISO. You must know your gear. That's 100% essential. Dapat alam mo kung paano gamitin yung gamit mo. For example, nasa wedding ka, ceremony. Pagtapos ng ceremony, may outer group picture. Ikaw yung na-assign kasi ikaw yung main photographers. Hawak mo yung camera mo, pagpunta mo sa harapan. Ano to eh? Dapat ang shutter speed nito ay... Wait lang po mama, sir, wait lang. Dapat ano eh? Aperture. Sige, mamaya ko na lang ano. Hindi pwedeng ganun. Dapat pag nasa event ka, dapat pag nasa wedding ka, when you are in duty, dapat alam mo yung gears mo. You must know your gears. Alam mo yung para ka nagpapiano without even looking, alam mo kung paano gagamitin, alam mo kung paano magfa-function yung gears mo. Before ka sumabak sa gera, dapat alam mo kung paano mo ikasa yung baril mo. Because my experience, way back 2016, that's why sinishare ko sa inyo. Okay, number 3 tips ko sa inyo is focus on job. Kapag ka nasa wedding kayo, mag-focus ka sa trabaho mo. Focus if you are a photographer, focus if you are a videographer. My experience is this, kaya my advice is this. Get rid of your phone. Hindi pa pwede yung kapag ka nasa-shoot ka, busy ka Facebook, busy ka chat, busy ka text. You have to set your mind and focus sa shoot ninyo. Kasi nakasalalay dito yung memories ng couple na nagbayad sa inyo ng malaki. Kasi pag nasa wedding day ka, hindi pa pwedeng may sarili kang mundo. Yung kapag tinatawag ka ng coordinator para sa altar group picture, ikaw ay busy ka sa cellphone. Wait lang. Post ko lang to. BTS kanina. Kailangan ma-post ko muna ang BTS kanina. Wait lang. Okay, good. Saan po? Hindi pwedeng ganun. You need to have a initiative para mag-shoot. Hindi pwedeng i-please ka nila para picturean mo sila. Ikaw mismo yung lumapit. Ikaw mismo yung mag-approach sa client kasi yun ang trabaho mo. Focus on your job. Kaya tayo may tinatawag na sabaw moments. So, get rid of that sabaw moments and focus on your job. That's number 3 tip. And number 4. This is my number 4 tips. Okay? Don't rush things. Don't rush things, or I should say, do not be a mediocrity when it comes to being creative, being main photographer, main videographer, main creative photographer, or SD editor. Hindi pa pwede sasabihin mong okay na yan, hindi pa pwede sabihin ayos na yan, okay lang yan, kailangan laging excellent. Kailangan ng utak mo, kahit hindi mo man maabot, you really have to think perfect. Because why? It's your job. Nagbigay ka ng ganitong price para sa package, kinakailangan lang na ibigay mo pabalik yung kailangan nila. Pag nasa wedding shoot ka, hindi pwedeng nagmamadali ka, hindi pwedeng minamadali mo sila. Pwede mong masira yung pinaka-importanting moments, pinaka-importanting araw sa couples kapag ka lagi kang nagmamadali, kapag minamadali mo lahat ng bagay. Just chill, relax, and focus. Hindi rin naman pwedeng babagal-bagal ka. Like for example, nagsushoot kayo ng post-nap sa tanghaling tapat or post-nap sa kateri ka ng araw at sasabihin mong, ma'am, dun kayo sa arawan and let me take a picture. Wait lang. Chik. Ayusin ko lang yung setting. Wala silang panahon maghintay sa'yo. Kinakailangan, isipin mo na, planuhin mo na kung ano ba yung gagawin mong shoot, post na kailangan na ibigay mo sa kanila. Hindi ka nagmamadali, pero dapat alam mo na yung gagawin mo. Because based on my experience, Masyado akong nagmadali sa picture, bam, bam, bam. Video, bam, 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 bam. Tapos pag uwi ko ng bahay, i-edit ko. Out of focus, mali yung settings, overexposed, underexposed. Sa video naman, shaky, hindi na halos ma-edit. Why? Because nagmamadali tayo eh. Magmadali kayo in a positive way. Make sure that you know what you are doing. Okay? Huwag kang magmadali na minamadali mo lang. Nagmamadali tayo but still, alam ko yung ginagawa ko and I can do this. Iba yung minadali. Minadali kasi yan, kaya ganyan ang kinalabasan. Alam mo yun, para ka nagluto ng pansit canton. Alam mo yun, nagluto ka ng pansit canton, ininitan mo, tapos hinango mo agad, tapos nilagyan mo na ng powder, ng sauce. Pagkagat mo, crunchy. I don't think if you get the point. But, don't rush a thing. Okay? Based on my experience, pag nagmamadali kami sa mga bagay-bagay, may naiiwan kami, nagkakamali kami, just relax and enjoy the flow. That's my number 4 tips. And down to my number 5 tips. Ito po ang number 5 tips ko para sa photographers and videographers out there. Be humble. That's very self-explanatory. If you are humble, they will love you. The clients will love you. Your team will love you. But if you are proud, if you have this baggage of pride because you have the best gear, the best tripod, the best drone, you have the best everything nasa'yo na, and you have this pride, they will hate you. If they will hate you, kapag ayaw ka nila, lalayuan ka nila, mawawalan ka ng support system that day, that wedding day, and you are potentially can ruin the memories of the couple. So, stay humble, kahit mataas na yung narating mo, kahit magaling ka na, may mga magagaling na videographers dyan, taas na ng narating, still, so humble. So stay humble if you want to stay in this industry. Number 5 tips bago ko i-wrap up to, be humble. And yes guys, that's it for today. Hope you like this vlog. Kung nagustuhan nyo to or kung may idea kayo, meron kayong comment, please comment below. Kung meron kayong suggestions at kung meron kayong experience, kagaya ng experience ko, kagaya ng mga tinalakay natin today, just comment below. Share this video para mas malaman pa ng mga nagsisimula or magsisimula or planong pumasok sa wedding film industry. Please share this video, like, hit subscribe, and thank you guys for supporting me and this channel. Thank you guys. See you soon. Peace.